Let's go back in time and take a look at the Philadelphia streetcar situation in the late 60s. These photos were taken in the pre-Septa era. At this time, the city transit was run by the Philadelphia Transportation Company. Additionally, connecting out of the western part of Philadelphia at 69th Street Terminal was the Red Arrow lines. More about this operation later. Here's a map of the streetcar lines to get our bearings. Starting out at the northern end of the very long 23 Germantown Avenue line in Chestnut Hill. This line had its own car barn named the Germantown Depot. Moving further south, there was the huge Luzerne Depot shown here. Shown here is the western end of the 56 Torreysdale-Cotman line at Venango and 23rd. Here we see a Germantown Avenue car crossing Erie Avenue. I was curious to find out where this location was. The smokestack gave it away. Moving to the eastern part of Philadelphia, we go to the Richmond-Westmoreland Loop. At this time, the Richmond-Westmoreland Loop served both the 15 Girard Avenue line as well as the 60 Allegheny Avenue line. The 60 Allegheny Avenue line is long abandoned. However, the 15 Girard is brought back to life and serves a rebuilt Richmond-Westmoreland Loop. Here's a photo of a fan trip in the late 1960s along Richmond Avenue. Now moving to western Philadelphia with the subway service lines. Here we have an 11 Woodland at 49th Street and a northbound 11 as well, and an inbound 36 at 49th and Woodland as well. Now we're at the western end of the Girard Avenue line. Septa's 15 is now called the G. Walking a little way up 63rd Street, we catch an inbound number 10. We're catching a inbound 13 at the Yaden Loop. I guess they finished the laundromat building soon after I left. This dilapidated terminal is a short turn for the 36 line. This is now the site of the massive Elmwood Yard. As I mentioned before, there's a suburban operation coming out of the 69th Street Terminal in the western Philadelphia area. This Red Arrow suburban system, now part of Septa, is shown here at the 69th Street Terminal. The street-running terminal of the Media Line is shown here. Back at the 69th Street Terminal, there is another operation, the former Philadelphia and Western line to Norristown. At the Norristown Terminal, we see a classic bullet car. These old-time photos my brother and I took in the late 60s show a transit operation that was still in pretty good shape. And of course, if you're enjoying this video, press the subscribe button. I was fortunate to witness the transit operation and the city, which were in reasonably good shape at the time before the steep decline with lots of graffiti and vandalism. Surprisingly, the 15 Girard Avenue line was brought back from the dead and is now operating with renovated PCC cars. Also, many of the Philadelphia PCC cars found a new home in San Francisco.